My village. I live in a small and beautiful village. My village is surrounded by green fields and tall trees. There are many small houses made of bricks and some made of wood. In my village, people are very kind and help each other. There is a big playground where we play games like football and cricket. A small river flows near our village, and we sometimes go there to swim and catch fish. We celebrate festivals together with music, dance, and food. The village is peaceful, and the air is fresh and clean. I love my village because it is beautiful, quiet, and full of happiness.